Welcome to SQ Tech Lab YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about CapCut PC Interface. This is our second video regarding CapCut PC course. Check out our full course on CapCut on this channel. Let's start today's topics. Let's open CapCut on PC. This is CapCut PC homepage. Here, this menu shows if you already have any projects. I have one such project here. If I click on this, it will take me to the editing view for this project. If you would like to edit your projects from the homepage, just right-click on it. From here, you can upload it, rename it, duplicate, and delete the project. And here you can change the view of this project list to list view and to grid view. Here we can search among our projects. No projects found with this title. And trash. Deleted projects can be kept here for up to 30 days. At the top right here, you can go to feedback. Feedback allows you to report if you face any problem in CapCut. Settings. In settings option, you will find terms of service, privacy policy, third-party copyright, environment testing, and also the version of CapCut you are using. If we click settings here, we can change our preferences, such as save location, cache management, auto upload, image duration, frame rate, proxy, etc. We can also change our app language here. Keep them as default. We can minimize, maximize, and close CapCut from here. If you click the sign in button, it will take you to this page. Here you can sign in with your TikTok, Facebook, and Google account. At the bottom left, there is questionnaire from CapCut. Now let's enter the editing view. To start a new project, just click on the Create Project button. This will automatically open a new project and take you to the editing view. From here, we can change the name of our project. Let's name it Practice. Here from menu bar, we can see other options such as settings. From this button, we can change the layout of our software. For example, if we want to see our edited project in big screen, we will switch to player first view. By clicking here on full screen option, we can enlarge the player screen. To restore this to original position, here is the restore button. Now let's discuss the options available in this menu. Here is the import tab, from where we can import our media to this software. From this stock materials tab, we can import different effects and screens. In next video, we will discuss more on importing media files in CapCut. Here we have the audio tab. We can add music to our projects using CapCut Online Library by this audio tab. We can also search for the song we want to use. By this sound effects option, we can import sounds such as laugh, fight, horror, etc. in our project. Next, here we have the extract audio option to extract sound from any videos. Even we can import files directly from TikTok app here. Next, we have text option here. From here, we can add text to our video. This effects option here contains different formats for text. From text template option, we can add animated text to our project. This is very easy. We can also add auto captions in CapCut to make our work easier. We can also import local captions from our computer. Sticker tab. This tab contains animated emojis and stickers. We can use those in our project for free. Effects tab allows us to add effect to our videos. There are a lot of effects such as lens, star, cartoon, etc. In the body effects option, we have clone, selfie, stroke, and many more effects for faces. There are a lot of transitions in transition tab. We can use those between our footages. We have the filters tab next. We can add any filter we want as they are all categorized. And last in this section, the adjustment tab. We can do many things from here. We can create an adjustment layer which allows us to place customized layer over the original video. We can import LUT here to use in our project. Next, the player menu. In this player menu, we watch our project output. We play our edited video here during editing. In this area, we can see details of our project. Here, downward. This is the timeline for our project. Here we have options like selection tool, split tool, select leftward tool, and select rightward tool. Next, we have other basic editing tool here. We will discuss about all those tools in details later. Here we have the voiceover option. With this, we can perform voiceover on our video project. We have track magnet, snapping, linkage etc. option here. That's all for today. Hope this content was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, like this video and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for our next video and take care.